Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I loved the Paani Paani makeup which Jacqueline spotted in the latest song, but this look would be so incomplete without the jewelry. And how do you get this jewelry? How do you wear it on your head and how to nail the look? Because the jewelry completes it. So makeup has been done by me, of course, and I have a video linked in the cards. You can watch it. And now talking about the jewelry, how to get this right, I'm going to talk about that in the video. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I want to tell you that I used this piece, and this piece I actually borrowed from my mom-in-law. Isn't this piece gorgeous, you guys? It has the centerpiece. So you basically need something like this, a necklace that has a centerpiece, and then these strings on the side or something similar would also work, and we're going to make it work actually. So what you're going to do is you're going to see these loops on the side. Necklaces generally have that, and we're going to grab a bobby pin. Not the U pin, guys, the bobby pin, and this is my jewelry hack. So what you're going to do basically is you're going to loop it through. So this is going to give you that control. So you're just going to loop it through, as you can see, and now it has reached the end and it is very secure. Same thing we are going to do on the other side. So I've sort of measured it and sort of placed it in the center and loop it through, my dear, and this is going to make it very secure. So you have both pins attached to the necklace. Now you're going to place it on your forehead and sort of measure where exactly you want your necklace to be, and once you do that, it's time to section the hair. This step is super se bhi upar wala important. I know I sound like Shilpa Shetty, but you know what I mean, right? So you're going to section your hair from the top, from the very top like this, and you're going to pin it, or you can use a clutcher, whatever you have, and so that this hair is away. And now again you can take your necklace and you're going to position it at the same place. Just make sure the centerpiece is in the center because it's the centerpiece, right? So you're going to take the pin, take the bobby pin, and just clip it through. Now it's not coming exactly where I've sectioned my hair, but it has been placed slightly below. Reason being, it has been placed where it is most comfortable, and that is what really matters, guys. It should not tug, it should not pull, and of course we're wearing jewelry, so it has to be comfortable, and this is all going to get covered. So yeah, make sure you secure it very nicely with a bobby pin like I'm doing it here, and it depends on the jewelry weight, guys, how many bobby pins you'll be using. So if your jewelry is slightly heavy, you need to use more. This one is not that heavy. I still like to secure it with more bobby pins. So yeah, now you need to unhook the hair and let it fall naturally, and as you can see, it is covering the necklace real nicely. You can also do curls. I do have a video on my channel, similar looking curls you can do. And now it's time for the beautiful jewelry of my beautiful mom-in-law. And yeah, with this, the look is complete with the necklace and the earrings. So this is how you make use of the jewelry you already have, and I hope you found this information useful. So if you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know whenever a video is uploaded on this channel. You can also watch this Paani Paani makeup. I'm going to link it in the end screen and also in the cards, also in the description. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. I will love to see you all there, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.